Hello everyone. So our next topic is page formatting. Now page formatting is related to all the editing and the formatting of our page. Now this is the work area. This part is called the work area and this is our page where we can write, we can edit or we can type our desired document. Now for this we have to follow certain measures. If we go to this layout option, here we can find some information related to our page formatting. Now in this layout option we can get some other added option that is called column and break. Now these two are the related to page, but it is not directly connected for formatting purposes. Now why I am saying this information, the page formatting means adding some design graphics, some added borders or shadings that we have discussed in previous content. Now for the margin purposes, here now this part is our margin. Okay, now if I click on the narrow option, you can see the indentation. Now this part is called the indent. Okay, this is our left indent and this is our right indent. Now our indent has changed. Now if you go to margin and click on moderate, our margin will be in a standard version like it was way before the first opening of our document. If you go to wide, it will completely get changed. Now these are the information. Now if you click on normal, now this is our default margin. Okay, when we open Microsoft Word, now this margin, this indentation follows up. Now next part is the orientation. Orientation means the type of the page. Now this part is the vertical orientation. Okay, now this page is the vertical orientation, or it is called the portrait orientation. Now if we click on orientation and change the portrait format into landscape, that means our page will convert into a landscape indentation and the landscape margin also. See, the indentation and the margin, it has also got changed. Now the page is completely followed is a like a horizontal format. Okay, now again I'm clicking on the portrait version where it was before. Now the next part is our indent. Indent means now this part. Now again I'm zooming it in to 100% so it will be clear to you all. Now this part is our ruler. This is our horizontal ruler, this is our vertical ruler. Now if we shift this indent here, that means our cursor will begin from here. If you press backspace, see, again it has got change. Okay, now if I press enter and if I change the indentation here and if I keep my indentation here, if I press backspace, my cursor will belong to this line. See, can you see? Okay, that means this is our indentation. Now what is the shortcut key for indentation? It's CTRL plus M. Okay, now if you press together, your indent will move. Now these are the points. Okay, these are the points. Now in this point it will move as per your own choice. Now again if you press backspace, it will again convert it into in your basic indent and basic form. Now this was our content of page formatting. Now let me show you another information that is called column break. Now if you want to break the column, break this indent and the gutter, if you click on two column, see, this will break into two part. Now how will you understand whether it has done or not? Let's see. See, okay, page formatting, this is our heading and this part are the two column. Now again if I click on this column and go to 3 option, then again it will convert it into 3 column. You have seen many newspaper, you have seen many magazines, there you will find this information, like it has been segregated into column wise or in a vertical way or in a horizontal way, I mean in a portrait or in a landscape. So this was our content of page formatting. Another information is break. Now suppose if you want to give a break, that means a page break. Now you want this line from themes to be shifted into next page. Now if you click on break and click on this page break, see the themes came up on the second page and this is our first page. Now these are the information related to page formatting. And another information is alignment. I hope you all know it. I have shown in previous content and previous information like how to bring this text into left aligned, right aligned or center aligned, or how to add some border shading that you have all seen, how to add or how to change the style of the text. From here you can change the style of the text, so I'm not going to repeat it, but I hope you all know it. Now these are the information related to page formatting. Another information is print preview. Now if you click on this file option, over here you will find this print option. If you click here print, see this is our preview. That means these two pages are there to be print. Now if you click here, then it will show that there are two pages. Now if you want to jump from page 1 or page 2, then you please zoom it. It was 46% or 50%. If you zoom it to 100%, and if you click on the second page, it will again convert it into the second page. So you can hover around the pages. Okay. Now for 2007, those who are operating 2007, you will find an office button here. Like below, we can see a start menu. So here also you will find an office button. If you click on that office button, from there you can click on this print option. It will show you, or else you can press simply CTRL plus P. It is a shortcut key for print. Press together. Now this part will open. So this was a content related to page formatting. Thank you.